On today's Disney Roundup, new details have been shared on Tiana's Bayou adventure, a look at the new technology being worked on from Walt Disney Imagineering, and when the new cabins will open at Fort Wilderness. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news, as the ride's reimagining continues, new details have been shared on Tiana's Bayou adventure. Over this past week, NOLA.com shared new details on Tiana's Bayou adventure, sharing new information regarding the ride's audio animatronics. While Disney had already previously shared there would be many new animatronics inside the ride, it's now being shared that they will be the same style as used in World of Frozen at Hong Kong Disneyland, where they have very advanced facial movements and not projected faces like we've seen in Frozen Ever After in Epcot. There will also be several animatronics like this of Tiana as she will speak to guests throughout the ride. Additionally, it was also noted that when the ride opens, it will have the same track and use the same ride vehicles that Splash Mountain used, but that there will also be subtle nods to Splash inside the ride. As to what those will be have not been shared and do come as quite as a surprise. I could definitely see a Mr. Bluebird reference or some sort of Easter egg inside the ride, but I'm not sure if any of the Briar Patch characters will be included. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though. Although Tiana's Bayou Adventure won't have nearly as many audio animatronics that Splash Mountain did, does it make up that these new ones will be more advanced, and what nods to Splash Mountain do you think Disney will include inside the ride? Never seen before, Walt Disney Imagineering has shared a first look at their new technology. Lanny Smoot, the Disney Research Fellow and Imagineer behind mind-blowing special effects like making Madame Leota float inside the Haunted Mansion, is being inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame. Lanny is the first Disney Imagineer to receive this prestigious recognition and only the second individual from the Walt Disney Company to be inducted, the first being Walt Disney, honored for the multi-plane camera. For over 45 years, Lanny has worked as a theatrical technology creator, innovator, electrical engineer, scientist, and researcher, resulting in an impressive collection of over 100 patents, a milestone not often achieved by many inventors. 74 of his patents were created during his 25 years at the Walt Disney Company. Currently, he is working on the Hollow Tile floor, the world's first and only multi-person, omnidirectional, modular, expandable treadmill floor where any number of people can have a shared virtual reality experience, walk in unlimited distance in any direction, but never collide or walk off its surface. Besides the immediate VR and gaming applications and potential theme park use, the Hollow Tile floor can be an insert in a theatrical stage, allowing performers to move and dance in new ways, or stage props and structures could move around or appear to set themselves up. Disney posted a video taking an inside look at the Hollow Tile, plus a tour of Lanny's lab, and if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Starting in a little over a month, Disney has shared new details for this year's Epcot Flower and Garden Festival. Mark your calendars as this year's festival will begin on February 28th and continue through May 27th for 90 days full of beautiful topiaries, inspirational gardens, delicious dishes, and rockin' music celebrating spring. For the first time, Groot takes root at Epcot. The Flora Colossus from the Guardians of the Galaxy trilogy will appear near Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind in World Discovery. This year, more than 70 topiaries featuring delightful array of Disney characters as well as other figures and whimsical items will fill the park. Also new this year, guests can look forward to viewing new topiaries from the Walt Disney Animation Studios film Wish, including Asha, Valentino, and the Wishing Star at the park's main entrance. And in Mexico, Miguel and Dante from Coco will take center stage. The Garden Rocks concert series takes to the American Gardens Theater once again daily during the festival, featuring local and globally recognized acts. At this year's festival, the whole family can enjoy 2 seasonal scavenger hunts. Through the festival, follow Spike the Bee on his pollination trail, where he's buzzing to collect nectar from all the beautiful gardens with Spike's pollination exploration. And for a limited time, you can also hop around World Showcase for the Extravaganza Hunt. You can also celebrate your visit with the official merchandise available at festival markets and Creation Shop. Now on Outside the Parks news, set to open this summer, Disney has shared when the new cabins will open at Fort Wilderness. Beginning on July 1st, you and your family will have an all-new way to stay at the great outdoors with many of the comforts of home in the newest Disney Vacation Club property, the cabins at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort. The new cabins will be a relaxing retreat nestled in the scenic woodlands of Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. The first loop of them will open on July 1st, with a second loop opening later in the month and more throughout the year. If you're a DVC member, these dates will be when you are able to begin booking, which I will leave a link to in the description down below. Disney will also share more about the cabins at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort, including when the general public can begin booking their stay at one of the new cabins. After many years on the boardwalk, Big River Grill and Brewing Works will be closing this year. Now showing on the Walt Disney World website, Big River Grill and Brewing Works no longer has any operating hours posted past this Sunday, January 21st. Per WDW News Today, Disney released a statement saying Big River Grill and Brewing Works will have its last day of operation on January 21st, closing on January 22nd. To provide additional lunch options, guests can explore a rotating selection of food trucks beginning January 22nd. Located beside Thimble and Threads, Big River Grill was a microbrewery and restaurant that served award-winning beers and fresh twists on American pub favorites. While there will be food trucks to give guests other lunch options, as to what the location will turn into next has not been shared at this time. Now into company news. Coming next month, Marvel Studios has shared when the Marvels will be added to Disney+. Disney has announced that the Marvels will premiere on Disney+ starting next month on Wednesday, February 7th. When her duties send her to an anomalous wormhole linked to a Kree revolutionary, Carol Danvers, aka Captain Marvel's powers become entangled with that of Jersey City superfan Kamala Khan, aka Miss Marvel, and Carol Danvers' estranged niece, now Saber astronaut, Captain Monica Rambeau. Together, this unlikely trio must team up and learn to work in concert to save the universe as the Marvels. Alright everyone, well that's all you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all you for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.